Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to delete avatar on Duolingo. Remove avatar on Duolingo. First of all, open up the Duolingo application on your phone. Once you are inside the app, tap on your profile icon from the bottom bar. Then, you can edit your avatar from here. It's a very simple process and you can choose its skin tone, hairstyle, and everything. Once you are done, tap on Done. After that, open up the Duolingo in your web browser. Now, from here, tap on your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Then click on your avatar icon from here. After that, choose a file to upload as your avatar. When you upload the photo, click to save the changes. So that is exactly how you can delete avatar on Duolingo. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.